Lock can be set with the function of entrance free, using a staff card with entrance free function. Turn the handle directly. The handle will have a free turning movement. Now, slide a staff card with entrance free function, then, red and blue light is flashed to display on the lock induction area by turns. Change the state of the deadbolt switch 3 times. Sound notice would be given. Entrance free function setup successful. Turn the handle to unlock, card key is no need. If you want to cancel this function, change the state of the deadbolt switch 3 times, at any time. Entrance free function is suitable for meeting room, office and so on. Now, issue a staff card with limit function. Select Don't Limited Period of Time. Select Limit function. Select Staff card. Input the staff name. Click the button of Write Card. Place one RF card on the card placed area. Staff card with limit function issued success. Now introduce how to use the staff card with limit function. Slide a guest card key at first. Unlock sound notice would be given. Door was unlocked. Now slide a staff card with limit function. Then, red and blue light is flashed to display on the lock induction area by turns. Change the state of the deadbolt switch 3 times. Sound notice would be given. Limit function setup success. Now, use the first guest card key to open the door. Slide the guest card key, and the red-blue light flashed display on the lock induction area. Unlock the door failed. Want to unlock the door again? You must make the room checkout, then issue a new guest card key. Now, issue an emergency administrator card. Click the menu System Setup. Make emergency administrator card. Click Write Card. Place one RF card on the card placed area of card issuing machine. Emergency administrator card issued success. Now, introduce how to use the emergency administrator card. The emergency card is used to issue guest card key without the lock management software. At first, slide one card directing toward the lock induction area. The door can't be opened. Now, we make this card into card key using an emergency card. Slide the emergency card. You can listen to sound notice. Then red and green light is flashed display by turns. Change the state of the deadbolt switch 1 time. Green light is flash display. Then put the first card to the induction area to make card key. Sound notice be given when the card key was issued success. Using the card to open the door was unlocked. An emergency card is mainly to issuing guest card temporarily. During the door lock management software can't be used normally. Locks can save 512 unlock records. You can query unlock record at any time. Secure Hotels Safety. Now introduce how to collect the unlock record by using Lock Programmer. Press the key of function to start the Lock Programmer. Press the key of function once more. Room information will be displaying on the screen. Press the key of operator. Collect data display on the screen. Aim the Lock Programmer at the door lock induction area. You can listen to sound notice. collected success. Press 1, display the room information. Press 2, display the MCSC code. Press 3, display the unlock failed reason. Now, introduce how to query the record on the lock programmer through the software.